And we're recording. Sweet. What's up, guys? My name is Carter Sims, and IU has deemed me interesting enough to record a vlog. So, welcome to my vlog. This is it. I'm from Bloomington, Indiana. I am a senior at college this year. Let me turn on the lights for you guys. Wow, look at that. Senior in college, busy senior year for me. I'm in 6 credit hours. Really busy guy. What else do I do? I'm an IU basketball manager, which is pretty dope. I hang out with the team and go to practice and stuff. Other than that, I'm kind of just hanging out my last semester here in Bloomington, and then I'll be heading to Chicago in the summer. So, pretty dope. So we're gonna go and hang out today. You're gonna see a typical day in the life of a busy part-time student. It's not busy, but I have some things to do, some fun things to do today, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. This is my room. It's a beautiful room. I've been in this house, in this room for 3 years now. I moved out of Briscoe, and in sophomore year, this is where I live. This is my beautiful dance marathon quilt. Just finished up 4 years of IUDM. Good times. What else do I got? I got a piano here. I play the piano. I got a little guitar here. I've got my trusty pink recorder because one of my roommates loves to play the recorder, and we have jam sessions. We're cool. So now that I've gotten up, brushed my teeth, and showered, and gotten dressed, it's time to go to my 8 a.m., which sucks because I'm just kidding. It's 10:16. I don't do 8 a.m.s. My class is at 11, my only class of the day. It's a bit of a rainy day in Bloomington, but we're gonna head to class and get the day rolling. Into the world. There's my house. It's wet. Now I have to cross the Red Sea. I have an opportunity. Nailed it. So athletic. And we march on into the unknown. I like to walk through forest on my way to class to feel what it's like to be a freshman again and look down upon them and know that they have 4 more years here at IU and I'm out the door in 2 months. Man, the beauty of campus, even when it's wet out. I usually walk through this, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. We're going to take the long way around and use the sidewalks as God intended. So on my walk to class, I thought I would tell you guys a little bit why I chose to come to IU. I'm from Bloomington. I went to Bloomington High School South, go Panthers. And I just kind of knew that I wanted to be involved with IU basketball for one. That's why I'm a manager. My dad was a basketball manager. My uncle was a basketball manager. I knew I wanted to keep that tradition alive, so I continued to be one here. Dance marathon was a big part of that decision as well. I did dance marathon at South for 4 years, and I knew I wanted to do that here, so I got to be on the morale committee here, and I got to be the director of morale, so that was a very fun time. I also came to be in the Kelley School of Business. I was a direct admit, and then I decided it wasn't really for me, so then I hopped over to the media school, and that's been a lot of fun. So I'm off to class at the radio television building. I have a script writing class that I'm heading to, which is a lot of fun. I think we're watching The Hurt Locker today, so should be a good time. Nice, beautiful, rainy day in Bloomington, Indiana. I got so excited to go to class, I left a little early. Thought I'd walk by the auditorium, see what was going on. And Looks like there's some freshmen here, incoming freshmen on a tour, maybe deciding to go to IU perhaps. And you're making the right decision, kids. Just got out of class. Still raining outside. Not a beautiful day, but it has its charm. Heading to Wells now to work on a group project, because you don't want to be that guy who doesn't do their part on a group project. And I'm not that guy. So I'm gonna go grab a little bite to eat, work at Wells for a little bit, get out of the rain, and just chill. So, all done with my group project work, and it's a little wetter out now. I got the umbrella out, and I'm gonna go see a movie with my friend, because what else are you gonna do on a rainy day? Here we go. Here's my roommate. I can't open the door, but I'm gonna try. Oh, yeah, there it is. Hey! So we're here, just got to the theater, about to see Impractical Jokers, the movie.
Can't wait.
Davey, thoughts on this movie before we go in here?
It's gonna be a blast.
Great, let's go. Let's dive in. So we just got out of the Impractical Jokers movie. It was, well, movie's a strong word.
Big episode of the TV show.
Yeah, it was meh. So now we're getting in the car. I'm gonna go grab my basketball shoes from Assembly Hall, and Davey stepped in a puddle, and Davey's gonna drop me off there to get my shoes because I got a big intramural game tonight. So we're going to Assembly Hall, baby.
Go basketball.
So here we are at Assembly Hall, about to walk in. No practice today. We just had a heck of a win against Penn State yesterday at home. So the boys got a day off, but it's a day on for Carter at the Wick tonight to play intramural basketball. So I gotta get my shoes. So let's get my shoes. Up the court real quick. Don't know who all these people are, but they're having fun. And here we have the manager's locker room, far superior to the men's basketball locker room. I kicked them all out because it's our court. So here we are, good old Assembly Hall. Not too busy today. Good day. So yeah, we're gonna get some buckets tonight. We're gonna get a win because I've got the power of IU basketball on my side. So we're gonna go home, hang out for a little bit, and then I'll see you back for the game. Hey guys, so GoPro died before we walked into the gym. Probably for the best. We took the L today. Jacob, thoughts? It's dark in nuts.
It was a pretty tough game for us out on the court,
Yeah.
but you know, you get to have some fun playing some intramural basketball, and that's always a good time.
Yes, indeed. So now we're really gonna go do what we love doing. We're gonna go watch The Bachelor because it's a Monday, so we'll see you there. Hey guys, so we're here now watching The Bachelor.
I wasn't ready for that.
Will, thoughts on The Bachelor?
I think that it is the best piece of cinema I've ever seen in my entire life.
Wow, cinema, wow. Anyway, Bachelor Monday, yeah. Well, everyone, that's the end of Carter Sims' typical Monday. But to end the day, I'll show you this beautiful display of ding dongs for this guy's 26th birthday.